Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tech TV. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download Viber on your desktop. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Also, press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming update from us. Open up a web browser of your choice and go to www.viber.com and press enter. You'll find yourself in the official website of Viber, which looks like this. Click on the Download Viber button, available right in the display, and you'll get an option to download Viber for your mobile device or your desktop. To download it quickly on your desktop, click on Download for Windows from the right-hand side of the screen. Your Viber setup file is being downloaded. Wait until it does. Once the download is completed, click on Open File. Once you see this kind of an interface, click on the Install button in order to install Viber on your desktop and wait until the installation is completed. Once completed, you should see your Viber application installed on your desktop. That is how it is done. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more tutorial videos like this. Thanks for watching.